In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach files in Yahoo Mail emails. To get started, open Yahoo Mail and make sure you're on your main inbox screen. This is where you'll be able to create a new email and add your attachment. If you're not signed in yet, go ahead and log in first, then continue once your mailbox is fully loaded. Next, look to the top left area of the screen and click New Message. This will open a fresh email draft where you can begin composing your message. Take a moment to confirm that the message window is open and ready before moving on. Now enter the recipient's email address in the To field. Make sure the address is correct, because even a small typing mistake can send the email to the wrong person or cause it to bounce back. After that, add a subject line that clearly describes what the email is about. Then type your email body. This is the main message you want your recipient to read, so keep it clear and complete before adding the file. Once your message is written, look at the bottom of the email content field. You'll see several icons there, and one of them is the paperclip icon. The paperclip is the attachment button. Click it, and your computer's file browser will open automatically. When the file browser appears, navigate to the folder where your file is saved. Find the file you want to attach, click on it to select it, and then choose Open. You can also press Enter on your keyboard after selecting the file. Yahoo Mail will then begin uploading the attachment to your email. If the file is large, give it a little time to finish uploading completely. It's a good idea to wait until the attachment appears in the email draft so you know it has been added successfully. Before sending, quickly review everything one more time. Check that the correct file is attached, the recipient's email address is accurate, and your message says exactly what you want it to say. This small review can help you avoid common mistakes. Once everything looks good, click Send, and that's it. Your Yahoo Mail email, along with the attached file, will be sent to your recipient. If you found this helpful, you can repeat the same process anytime you need to share documents, images, or other files through Yahoo Mail.